managing HR and benefits can be overwhelming, especially small and mid-sized businesses. That's where Justworks steps in. A powerful PEO or professional employer organization platform that simplifies complex administrative tasks so you can focus on running your business. Justworks offers an all in one system for employee onboarding, payroll processing, benefits administration, and legal compliance. Whether you're hiring your first employee or scaling up rapidly, this platform provides everything you need to manage your team with confidence. In this video, we'll explore the key features of JustWorks, how they benefit business owners and HR managers, and how you can use them to streamline operations. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the employee onboarding. JustWorks makes it easy to onboard new employees or contractors. You simply send an invite, and the platform walks them through all necessary steps, like completing tax forms, selecting benefits, and adding direct deposit details. As an admin, you can track progress in real time and ensure compliance with all legal requirements. A streamlined onboarding experience saves time and ensures new hires are fully set up and compliant before their start date. This reduces administrative errors and more professional first impression. Another key feature is the payroll management. With JustWorks, payroll is fully automated. You can schedule pay runs, include bonuses or commissions, and handle both salaried and hourly employees with ease. The system calculates taxes, withholds the correct amounts, and files everything with the appropriate government agencies. Accurate, on time payroll helps you avoid penalties and boosts employee trust. You can also handle cycle off payments, reimbursements, and wage garnishments without needing a separate system. Another key feature is the benefits administration. One of the key advantages of JustWorks is access to corporate level benefits for small businesses. You can offer health insurance, dental and vision plans, 401k retirement plans, wellness perks, and commuter benefits. Employees can easily review and manage their selections through the self-service portal. Providing competitive benefits helps attract and retain talent, while JustWorks handles the complex setup and administration for you, making it simple and compliant. Another key feature is the compliance and reporting. JustWorks ensures you stay compliant with federal, state, and local labor laws. It handles tax filings, W-2 and 1099 generation, and ACA compliance. The platform also provides access to HR experts and labor law resources when needed. You reduce legal risk while gaining peace of mind that your company is adhering to all employment regulations. Automatic updates keep your business protected as rules change. Another key feature is the time off and PTO tracking. JustWorks allows you to configure custom PTO policies and track vacation, sick time, and other leave categories. Employees can request time off through their dashboard, and managers can approve requests in just a few clicks. Centralized PTO tracking reduces miscommunication, improves planning, and makes reporting simple, especially when syncing time off with payroll. So, why is JustWorks a great choice? JustWorks is ideal for small and growing businesses that need enterprise level HR tools without the overhead of a large HR department. Its clean interface and automation capabilities remove the friction from managing people and processes. Everything is organized in one place: onboarding, compliance, payroll, benefits, saving countless hours every month. The platform's combination of automation and human support gives you the best of both worlds. Whether you're launching a new office or managing remote teams, JustWorks helps you stay compliant, save money, and scale faster. Plus, their support team and HR consultants are available to help you navigate challenges as your business evolves. Additionally, JustWorks is constantly updating its tools to reflect new compliance requirements and industry best practices, meaning your business stays agile and protected as regulations change. So basically, JustWorks is more than just an HR platform. It's a complete operations partner for managing your people and staying compliant in today's fast-paced work environment. With tools for onboarding, payroll, benefits, and legal support, it empowers you to build and support a high performing team without drowning in paperwork. If you're looking to simplify operations, minimize risk, and give your employees a professional experience from day one, JustWorks is a solution worth adopting. So take advantage of its user-friendly tools and expert guidance to keep your business running smoothly in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.